So Lizzie, what was it that really called you to be part of the Sound of Grace programme?
Well, it was Serena really. I went to a yoga workshop day and Serena was there, and she started talking about this course that was finding your voice and finding yourself, and I just knew, I connected straight away and felt this is what I need to do. At a stage of my life where things had changed, as we often find ourselves in places where our role is changed, it was that re-establishing a sense of self and rediscovering a sense of self that really called to me. So I signed up on the day and was really glad that I did.
And what did you love most about it?
The course was so diverse with the mantras and music and so many different aspects, and the way that Amanda and Serena worked together on the course in a complementary way. But the thing that really came out of it was my feeling of being able to dance again. Not maybe physically, but spiritually and just emotionally. I just felt this fountain of joy reawakened. It was brilliant.
And why would you recommend this to other people?
Well, I think the other thing about the course is that you're given tools that you can take away, and the chants are very practical, because in a world where it's very difficult to find that still centre, to be you, to let your real voice come out, the mantras help you do that in a very practical way. And so you have these beautiful sounds that you can feel vibrating right through you, and I use it practically for physical aches and pains. I use it for times when I know my temper is getting out of hand or I feel very depressed, and I can put myself, having done the practice, into that space that enables me to just move gently forward in, I know, a journey that's going to take the rest of my life. One of the most important things about the Sound of Grace experience was the empowerment of being safely held by Serena and other facilitators within the group, and meeting other women who you felt just grew into being a tribe of really sensitive and mutually supportive women, and that was an amazing experience.
Thank you.